Okay, this is the Dell laptop I have received, and it is having an issue with the mic. Not sorry, the mic, the headphone jack, and the laptop works fine. There is no problem. Just only the headphone jack is making a weird noise when I play sound on it. And now what we need to do, we need to open the laptop and see, because I have tried to check with a couple of headphone jack, different headphones, the same noise. Even I tried to clean inside, there is no difference. Now we need to open the laptop and see how we can fix this issue. I've opened this laptop and there is a problem here in the DC jack. You can see over here. Okay, if you want to know how to open the laptop, it's a video link around here. You can click on it, and there is a video for a complete teardown of this laptop. Okay, anyway, and now we are just going to check the audio jack problem. I can see here it's little board bend. If you see here, it's the board is bent. Look like the customer, he tried to push really up and down to damage the board from this side. Okay, I'm just going to show you the microscopic view over here and see how we can fix it. Okay, as you can see over here, there is a damage around here. This might be due to the reason the customer tried to push the jack in and move up and down. If he is moving up and down too hard, this could be the issue. As well as there is another issue that looks like this one is damaged too. What I will do, I will create this area first. I will just resolder it and then go for checking the audio jack. If it works fine, that's okay. Otherwise, I have to replace this as well. Moreover, I need to check these resistors and this diode to make sure all of them are working fine. Stay with me, I will just work on it. Okay, I'm going to scrape this area to see if I can reveal the print in it. If there is any. This is the audio jack side, and there might not be too many prints around. There should be only one line going around here, and I'm just trying to reveal it to see which one is for um, support and which one is for the line. I'll just pause the video and come back after doing some time. Until now, I'm unable to see any of the pad except here. I'm just revealing this area as well and pausing the video and come back. Okay, after scraping the board, I'm unable to see any of the wires running around here. But what I'm going to do now is to really go for a board view to see these three connector where it attaches to. I already downloaded the board view. It looks like these wires are running around here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to run a jumper wire from this point to where it is gonna go. And now these three I've checked already on board view. I will show you in a couple of seconds that these connectors goes on um, different resistors and capacitors. Okay, let me show you in a board view. These are the three pins that is having a broken part. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to run a jumper from here to this capacitor, and second one I'm going to run from this area to this one because it's already connected from the other side, but I want to make sure that I should connect this jumper from here to here. And the third one, the pin goes at the back of the board. If I just turn around this board view, you can see over here this diode, um, the pin number 3. I'm going to connect the jumper. I will run the jumper from here and from this hole to this area. Let me just go back to the board and show you how I connect the jumper. Okay, I'm just going to test the beep mode, and as you can hear the beep, I'm here testing this pin to this side of the capacitor. As you can hear, there is no beep, and the second one should be this side, and there is no beep. And I already checked this one at the back of the board, and this one is having a beep. I need to connect this one to the other side of the board, as I showed you in a board view, that this one is connecting to the diode at the back side. The board is broken from here, and these two pins are disconnected. I just need to run a jumper from here to this side of the capacitor, and this one is to this side. Okay, I'll just come back one. Okay, I'm pausing the video and completing this one and come back. Okay, I have applied these two jumpers. One is from here to this side of the capacitor, and the second one is here from this side. And as well as I just resoldered these audio jack connector, you can say the solder joints, to make sure if nothing cracks inside. If there is a crack inside, there is no point spending time on it creating jumper over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check this laptop, pack back everything, and to see how it goes. Let me just pause the video and come back. Okay, I have packed the laptop back, and I just tested the microphone. It is working fine after doing these all what do you call jumper wiring. Now you can hear the voice. If my mic can pick up, I can hear the voice is working fine. I just need to rewind it. Okay, the main worry is right now is to hold this connector in a way that the customer does not break this again. However, it had broken before. Now, what I'm going to do now is to really hold in a way that even if the customer take off the jack and put back again, it should work fine. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video and come back again. As you can see, if I move this connector out of the body, and this will gonna break again. At least I would have enough room for my jumper has enough room to really move, but other connector may break. What I will do here, I will just add little bit of glue over here to hold it. All the pressure will go here on a glue rather than on a board. Okay, I'm now applying this glue here. It's a magic epoxy or some sort of a name. I will show you a box in a couple of minutes. One moment. I'm just going to attach this connector to this body. Not too hard that once we are going to remove this motherboard, it will gonna just break. Otherwise, if I'm trying to use a headphone jack from outside, it may stay, it may not break because direct force would not apply. Or at least once we are going to open this laptop, we can cut this glue with the help of a blade. I'm just cleaning the upper edge because that I will have a trouble really closing the top cover. Okay, now it is good to go. Thanks for watching the video.